Fire up those grills. We've got the latest citrusy sensation on deck. Say hello to lemon Tangdi Kababs. It's summertime, which means it's officially grilling season. I could not be more excited for all the things that I have planned for the grill this summer, and these lemon Tangdi Kababs are no exception. They highlight the flavor of citrusy lemon. They're intensely tangy and fragrant and so good, and they come together in no time whatsoever. So we're gonna start off by creating the marinade. So to a bowl, I'm gonna add a little bit of plain yogurt. I'm also going in with some chickpea flour, which is gonna add a nice bit of nuttiness. I'm gonna grate in some fresh ginger, some fresh garlic, and finally mince up some Thai chilies. These are really gonna bring in the heat. Next, we're going in with our lemons. The juice and zest of 2 lemons, go big or go home, a few tablespoons of ghee, some garam masala, turmeric, nutmeg, cardamom, and salt to taste. Give that a nice mix. You want all the flavors to become familiar with one another, and look at that iconic lemon yellow color. Love it. So I'm using chicken drumsticks for this recipe, and the key to victory with this one is making sure that they're flavorful throughout. So I'm gonna take a knife and slit the chicken a few times across the surface. Then we're gonna pop the chicken drumsticks into the marinade and give them a nice mix to coat. Now here is a hot tip, courtesy of my mom. If you don't have time for these to marinate, then you really want to massage them. Really get in there with your hands, push the marinade through, and that way you get a ton of flavor in not a lot of time. But if you do have the time to marinate, just cover them and pop them into the fridge and let them marinate for a couple of hours to overnight. All right, so now it's time to grill. So come with me. The grill is nice and hot. I'm gonna lay my chicken drumsticks across the grill, and we're gonna cook them for a good 8 to 9 minutes, or until they're slightly charred on the outside, cooked through to the middle, and juicy and tender. Then we're gonna pull them off the grill, garnish with some fresh chopped coriander and a few lemon wedges on the side, and just like that, our lemon Tangdi Kababs are ready. My chicken is hot off the grill. I think the entire neighborhood can smell these Tangdi Kababs. And a really great tip here is if you want extra added indulgence, take a little bit of melted butter or melted ghee and brush it over the chicken for an extra added glisten. It does make it super special. All right, so I have my Tangdi Kabab here. I'm gonna go in with some extra lemon over the top. And now let's give it a taste. Oh my gosh, dripping in lemon. Oh my gosh, the hit of lemon in this is so good. I can't stop eating. The chicken is beautifully charred on the outside, juicy and tender in the middle, but let's talk about that marinade. Oh my gosh, all that lemon in there brings such great brightness and citrusy notes to the chicken, and they're complemented so well by all those spices that we put in, and that little kick of heat from those Thai green chilies just sets everything off. These are my lemon chicken Tangdi Kababs, the perfect barbecue dish. I hope you try these soon.